Welcome to Jermaine All Natural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and it is still National Hispanic / Latin Heritage Month. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna remember that any videos that pop up above will always be linked down below, and sometimes in the end cards for you to watch after this one. So as I mentioned, I am highlighting Hispanic Latin-owned brands for the month. And the month goes from September 15th to October 15th, and I'll have links down below also so that you can look into events and things that they have going on in case you want to donate to something or participate in something. And I also have some of the local ones here in Detroit linked down below as well. So that being the case, as you saw the title, I am finally getting into Rizos Curls.
It's about damn time.
You have to roll your R's. I have a friend whose last name is Rodriguez, so you have to roll your R's. I won this from the big little sister, Bianca Renee, that giveaway that she did last year. It's just one of the things that have been on my ever-growing list, as you know, as product junkies and naturals do. It was the one Rizos Curl product that she had. I snatched it up. So I'm excited to try this. In addition, it's a deep conditioner, which is my favorite part of wash day. Oh, and what up though to Julissa? You probably have seen her on my channel, her little meme.
Right now, when it comes to me, prepare to be sick of me. Go ahead and get
Dancing like that? Yeah, that's she's the owner. Oh, and congratulations on them now being in Ulta. Big congratulations on that. So outside of Target, as I mentioned, you can find them in Ulta also and on the website. I have everything linked down below. With the Rizos Curls, they are very ingredient conscious, so no sulfates, silicones, or parabens. And if you're someone that abides by the curly girl methods or rules when it comes to ingredients, this product is curly girl friendly. So there's that. All right, so I'm going to hop in the shower, do my regular wash. Since I don't have any other products from Rizos Curls, I'm gonna use other clean products just to kind of keep up with the trend that is set by the feature today. And I'll come back once I'm ready to deep condition it. And of course, stay tuned to the end so I can talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. And this is a first impression. This one I'm excited for. Hey, it's me. All right, hair is good and triple cleanse. I did 2 clarifyings and 1 moisturizing because the last products I had use combs in them. So I just want to make sure I got them really good and clean. And now I'm ready to apply the Rizos Curls, the deep conditioner. Olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. So pretty simple. After shampooing, apply to wet hair, comb through and rinse. Now on the website, I believe that it does say for deeper treatment, you can leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. As I mentioned before, anytime there are shorter deep conditioning times, I still go a little bit extra. So I'll probably do this for about 20 minutes or so. All right, so let's first impression this bad boy up. All right, so that seems thick already, and ooh, that is a pleasant smell. That's very pleasant. And that is a whole lot. If I was gonna compare this to a lotion, definitely normal to dry. Because even though it's creamy, it's got something thick about it. All right, and let's apply. Which section? This one, yeah. Hey, it's me, 20 minutes later. So let's talk about what the Rizos deep conditioner did, and if there's anything that I need from it. So per the site, it says it is going to be moisturizing, soft, and it's gonna have frizz control, and also that you can detangle with it. Great for detangling in showers, works on all hair types, vegan and cruelty free. Detangling, yes. My fingers slipped straight through it. My Felicia Leatherwood slipped straight through it. So even though it had that kind of thickness to it, it was really good detangling, especially like once I added a tad bit more water to it was like slipping. Like slipping through. So yes, very good detangling. Now it does say on the site that you can use this as a regular rinse out conditioner. It says that you can apply it, detangle with it, leave it on your hair for a few minutes and rinse it out. Then of course, like I said, there's a pro tip that says, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, I added heat with my cap and did it for 20 minutes. Now, even though it says strengthening, looking at the ingredients, I didn't see any type of protein of any sort in there. So I'm not sure which one of the ingredients are gonna account for the strengthening portion of it. My hair definitely feels soft, and yeah, frizz control, it is definitely starting to define my hair. Like, I got a lot of good definition here actually, which is gonna set me up for a good styling day. So yes, I would say yes. Completely controls it? No, but does it help to tame it some? Yeah, I would say yes. Definitely. And it does have that soft conditioned feeling. So feeling moisturized? Yes. So I would definitely recommend this. It's a really good deep conditioner. It's a really good deep conditioner.
I like it.
So again, I'd like to say thank you to the big little sister Bianca Renee for choosing me as a winner, and just by chance having this one product that she was giving away, because like I said, on my list for the longest amount of time.
It's about damn time.
So let me know in the comments down below, have you used the Rizos Curls Deep Conditioner? Did it do everything for you that it said that it was gonna do? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, make sure that you like this video, press the red subscribe button. Listen, it is still National Hispanic Latin Heritage Month. I still got more stuff to come. Feel free to share this out, and somebody else may want to know how the Rizos Curls Deep Conditioner works. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to Jermaine on Natural. I'll see you in the next one.